So hello everyone. So today is Sunday. I'm recording the video. So let's see how the market behaved last week, and let us also see if we can find some news about how it will move the coming week. So just let us, as usual, look at the Nifty chart. So you can see in the last days it fell down around 300 and last 5 days. In the last 5 days it fell around 374-75 points. That's a negative of 2.32%. And if you consider from the high to the low, then it fall about 4% or 3.8%, you can say 3.78. So more or less the Nifty was quite volatile last week, so that is for sure. So for the coming week, let us see what is the price of the crude oil. What is the crude oil price today? See, it has also again rose up, so it is again trading at 111, 112 level. So if you see, it went down to 105, 106, right? But it again went up. Brent crude oil, it's 112. So increasing crude oil price is not good for our economy, for India's economy, because we have to import maximum oil from the outside. So it's not a good sign. So it again 110 up. So I think that rupee dollar ratio will be also so if you say the exchange rate, see, it's I think it's much higher, man. So if you see from the past 10 years also, if you see, so during the corona thing it touched 77.38, and now it's 77.62. It's all-time high in last 10 years. So constantly the value of rupee is depreciating in terms of dollar. So rising crude oil prices, depreciating currency, rising inflation is not at all a good macroeconomics thing for a country. So I think to curb this, the RBI will come and again raise the interest rates. So that is fine. Now let's just, these are the macroeconomics things, so basic things. So let's go to the trading view. So if we go to the trading view and launch the Nifty chart, so these are the things we did yesterday, so that is fine. Okay, let's again remove this thing that is not required anymore. Yes, so let us we can draw the trend line again, that is fine. So this is the upper resistance. Let us draw the support line, which is a decreasing channel. And this is the support, this is the resistance, that is a downward sloping channel. And if we want to draw a straight lines, so here 16,800 level, that was 17,000 they have already broken. So let us still draw the 17,000 line. This is one. So if we see for the last week, let us zoom in. Yes. If we see for the last week date was what, 9th May, right? 6th, 9th. See, if you see this point, so this is the risk reward ratio what they are doing. So they have it's down by 3.58%. 750 rupees is down. So you can either from here it can go. Okay, one more thing, let us try. So how much further possible? So suppose it touches this line in the next week, so it will be, yes, so it will be down by around 4.33%. But if you invested around this time, as I showed, I invested around this time, from here still you have some. So if you start investing from here, either up to this point is 8% you have gained, or up to this point if it grows. So yeah, let me expand this also. It's 13% gain from this low. So that's a good low. That's a good swing trade. So you can try that one. I also mentioned earlier. So I just wanted to, for the upcoming week, you can start investing small amounts in this region. So from this region, either it will bounce back or it can go further down. So Monday you can see how is the market, you can invest. Then Tuesday, Wednesday you can see whether it's negative or not. You can again invest a small quantity. Like that you can accumulate in this zone. Whenever it comes this area, it starts this area, you see whether it is again coming touching this line, again coming down, or whether it is going up. So it's going up, let it go up to this and sell. Whether it's coming down, sell it. It's in this region. So that will be a good move, swing trade. So that is this is the thing we can do. So if we do look at the bank nifty chart, if you see the bank nifty chart, it is continuously trading low. Two big candles, red candles, which it came downwards. So mostly the reason of the last day was the SBI thing. The SBI results came, it was not up to expectation, and it tanked the SBI stock like anything. If you see, it's in one day it crashed around 4.79%, almost 4.8%, and in 1 week it fell down around 7.10%. So it's falling like anything. So recently I think Bank of Baroda results, I think, fine. Bank of Baroda results came, yes. Bank of Baroda quarterly results came. So it was NII growth of 13% year on year. Net profit jumps to 722 crores rupees. So that's good. So I think the whole bank nifty or the PSU bank stocks will be stabilizing in the next week. So that is there. Okay, so Eicher Motors. So that is there also. I think next week ITC results are also, I think they are next week. I think ITC results are next week. So ITC also heavyweight contribution. They have heavyweight contribution in the Nifty index. So their results will also affect on the Nifty whether it will move up or down. So that is there. Also LIC IPO listing is also coming next week. IPO listing date, if you see, 17th May is, yes. So next week we have the LIC IPO listing. So in the grey market they are saying that it is trading at a discount, the listing price, but let's see what happens in the actual market. so that is fine. So this market is too much volatile, so it's very difficult to make money during this time. But if you can survive this volatility, then it's a great opportunity to invest stocks and make money for the future. So Nifty, if I once again go to the Nifty chart, so every time when it touches this lower channel, this support zone, buy stocks, buy the good fundamentally good stocks. Every time I tell you, don't buy bad stocks now during this time. So during the time of the bull run, it's fine, you can buy bad stocks that also perform good, but during the, so it's almost a bear, not, I will not say a bear run, because market has corrected only how much. So it's the top point, right? October 18,600 level, right? So from here, if you see the today, so it is 15%, right? 15.23. So actually that is not a criteria for bear run. So bear run we only declare when it's 20% correction. So it's a 15% correction from the top. So we may also expect 3-4% or 5% to come down, test these levels and again go up. So that is fine. So that is always fine. So you can now only the strategy is you buy stocks when it is touching the low and average down your portfolio. The high value stock means value stocks you have bought in high price, so that is a good time to average them down. So this is just don't panic. So I am also uh, making the videos new, that is true, but at the same time it is also true that I am in the market only for, maybe I started actual buying stocks. So I used to buy mutual funds from around 2021 onwards. I started buying mutual funds but could not buy stocks because of some account issue. So now, but I started buying stocks in around 21 June, July, August. So even it's not a 1 year I am buying stocks, but I extensively study about these things. So I am also a relatively new users like many of you. So just my suggestion will be, don't panic, and just if you are confident, if you choose stocks confidently, you have faith in the company, stay invested in it, and it will come back up eventually. So that is the thing. Okay, so thank you for watching. So if you have any comments, how can I improve the video, or any suggestions for me, you can always write in the comment box. Also share with your friends. So yes, thank you.